Hello, my dear students. I'm your English teacher Shipra Agrawal, and today I'm going to discuss with you the second chapter of your Beehive book. And the name of the chapter is The Sound of Music. This chapter is divided into two parts, and in this video, I will discuss with you the first part of the chapter. And this is Evelyn Glenn listens to sound without hearing it. In this chapter, you will come to know about a young musician. The name of the musician is Evelyn, and she listens music without hearing, only by feeling. She listens music because she was a deaf girl, so she could not able to listen music, but she could listen music without hearing. So this amazing story, now we will begin. Before you read, God may have taken her hearing, but He has given her back something extraordinary. What we hear, she feels far more deeply than any of us. That is why she expresses music so beautifully. This is the chapter about the life of Evelyn. God has taken her hearing sense, but something extraordinary God has given to this musician. Whatever we listen, that thing she can feels, and especially the music. She can understand the music. She can feel the music far better than everyone. So, in this story, you will come to know about her music journey. Read the following account of a person who fought against a physical disability and made her life a success story. Students, by the story of Evelyn, you will get the inspiration that being a special child, being a handicapped child, she get her path of success. See, she fulfill her dreams. So she is the role model for everyone, that if she could do, then why not the others? So now let's begin the chapter. This is the very first paragraph of the chapter. Rush hour crowds jostle for position on the underground train platform. In this first paragraph, in the very beginning, a young girl was standing on a train platform, and it was a very rush hour. The people were pushing each other, and there was a slight girl looking younger than her 17 years, and on that railway platform there was a thin little girl who was looking younger than 17 years, was nervous, and that girl was looking very nervous yet excited. But also she was excited as she felt the vibration of the approaching train. Approaching matlab coming nearer. She was very nervous, but when she felt the vibrations, the sound of coming train, then she felt also excited. It was her first day at the prestigious Royal Academy of Music in London. Why she was very excited by the sound of the train? Because she was going to start her journey for the Royal Academy Music of London, and it is a very famous music academy. Every musician has a dream to get admission there, and now she was going there to get her admission, and daunting enough for any teenager fresh from a Scottish farm. She was a girl who belonged from Scotland, so she is called Scottish girl. But this aspiring musician faced a bigger challenge. That girl who was standing on the railway platform, she was a aspirant, she was a musician, young aspiring musician, but she was facing a bigger challenge in her life, and that challenge was that she was profoundly deaf, means she was deeply deaf. Evelyn Glenn's loss of hearing had been gradual, and in the first paragraph, the slight little girl that we discussed, that was Evelyn. Evelyn Glenn's loss of hearing had been gradual. By birth, her hearing sense was normal, but gradually, matlab slowly, her hearing was slowly, her hearing was, you can say, deteriorate. Her mother remembers noticing something was wrong when the 8-year-old Evelyn was waiting to play the piano. First time, when she was 8 years of age, she was sitting in a piano class and waiting for her number with her mother. At the time, the first time Evelyn's mother noticed that there is some problem with the hearing sense of my child. And how she discovered this thing? They called her name and she didn't move. When they means in the music class, the people called the name of Evelyn, and when she didn't give any response, then mother noticed, oh, why my child is not responding? Is there any problem with my child? And that was the first time when it is discovered that she having some problem with her hearing sense. Otherwise, by birth, she was a normal child. I suddenly realized she hadn't heard. I means the mother of Evelyn suddenly realized that she couldn't hear the words properly, says Isabel Glynn. Isabel Glynn is the name of Evelyn's mother. For quite a while, Evelyn managed to conceal. Conceal meta hide. Conceal means hide. Her growing deafness from friends and teacher. Students, what happened when we are in the teenage? At the time, we try to hide our problems with our friends and with our elders. The reason is this, that we thought that rest of the people will mock at us, they will not understand our feeling, but you should not do this thing because for a long time Evelyn hid her deafness from everyone, but that thing increased her problem. But by the time she was 11, her marks had deteriorated, and her headmistress urged her parents to take her to a specialist. Deteriorated matlab gone bad to worse. Now, because she could not listen properly, so it is very difficult for her to do well in her studies, because in her classes she could not get all the things in a proper manners, because without hearing to understand the class it is very difficult for her. But at the time she was concealing her deafness from everyone, so now her marks were becoming very worse. So one day, the headmistress of the school called her parents and requested them that please consult to a specialist. There is some problem with your child. It was then discovered that her hearing was severely impaired. Impaired means defective. And when the parents took Evelyn to the doctor, to the specialist, then it was discovered that she was severely, matlab very badly, her hearing sense was defective as a result of gradual nerve damage. And what is the it was the result of gradual matlab slowly nerve damage. Because of the nerve damage, now she was not able to hear. They were advised that she should be fitted with hearing aids and sent to a school for the deaf. Now the specialist suggested to the parents that now it is good for your child that she will wear the hearing aid, and she should be shifted to a new school, that is the school for the deaf children. Everything suddenly looked black, says Evelyn. After listening that, Evelyn said, all my dreams shattered. Everything in front of my eyes became dark. My future started looking to me very dark. But Evelyn was not going to give up. But Evelyn was a firm, determined girl. She decided that she is not going to surrender in front of these bad situation. She will fight against them. She was determined to lead a normal life. Now she determined that she will lead a normal life and pursue matlab to chase, to follow her interests in music. She was very interested in music. Now she made up her mind that she will continue her love for music and she will continue her learning in music. One day she noticed a girl playing a xylophone and decided that she wanted to play it too. One day she noticed a young girl, and that girl was playing the xylophone, and now she also wished to learn that xylophone. Most of the teachers discouraged her, but percussionist Ron Forbes spotted her potential. But Now the parents called many teachers for Evelyn to teach her the music, but most of the teachers discouraged Evelyn because it is very difficult task for the teachers to teach music to Evelyn without hearing. But one percussionist means a person who could play multiple musical devices. Ron Forbes is the name, and in the picture you can notice this teacher. He came and he spotted means notice the potential in Evelyn. But it is also a challenge for the teacher to teach a deaf child. He began by tuning two large drums to different notes. Now, Ron Forbes started the teaching to Evelyn. Now, first of all, what he did, first of all, he had to teach the Evelyn how to listen music without ears. So he took two drums and start beating drums on different notes. Don't listen through your ears, he would say. And Mr. Ron Forbes give the instruction to Evelyn, oh my dear child, don't listen the music of the drum by your ears. Try to sense it some other way. Try to sense it means try to feel the music by some other ways without ears. Says Evelyn, suddenly I realized I could feel the higher drum from the waist up and the lower one from the waist down. Suddenly Evelyn realized, oh sir, I can listen, I can feel the higher notes of the drum from my waist up. Waist up means from the upper body part, and the lower notes of the drum I can feel in my lower body part. Forbes repeated the exercise. Now teacher understand that my child know how to listen, how to feel the music. Now teacher started repeatedly doing that practice of playing the drums. And soon Evelyn discovered that she could sense certain notes in different parts of her body. And now, by that repeated exercise, Evelyn understand that she could feel different notes of music in the different body parts. I had learned to open my mind and body to sounds and vibration. Evelyn said, oh, by this practice, I understand how to open my mind, open my heart for music. Music is about feeling, music is not about listening. So now, what other people listens, that now she could feel. The rest was sheer determination and hard work, and rest of the path of the success of Evelyn is only because of her determination and because of her hard work. She traveled the United Kingdom with a youth orchestra, and by the time she was 16, that was the first day when the teacher started her training, when teacher started teaching her music without ears. But after that, she never looked back. By her hard work, by her determination, she was crossing all the stones, all the, you can say, all she was going far away in the music. She was crossing all the stones, or you can say all the problems of the music, and becoming uh, becoming a very full-fledged musician. And now she started giving performance in the youth orchestra. She toured to the United Kingdom and be a part of a music orchestra, and at the time she was only 16 years of age. She had decided to make music her life. Students, her dream comes true. The reason is this, that she decided this music is my life. When you will decide that your dream is your life, then definitely you will fulfill your dream, and definitely you will also reach on the success just like Evelyn. She auditioned for the Royal Academy of Music and scored one of the highest marks in the history of Academy. Royal Academy Music of London is a world famous music academy, and every musician has a dream to get admission there, but it is very difficult task, and for the Evelyn it is more difficult because she could not listen. She could not listen. But when she give the audition for Royal Academy Music in London, not only she get the admission there, she also secured the highest marks in the history of the Royal Academy of London. So such was the music of Evelyn that she played. She gradually left orchestral work and started giving solo performances. At the end of her 3 years course, she had received most of the top awards. Now, she also started giving solo performance. And only in the 3 years course of the Royal Academy, she received all the highest prizes of the Academy. She explains that music flows through every part of her body. Now, students, you should come to know how she listen music. Each and every body part of the Evelyn listen the music. You can say feel the music. It tingles in the skin. She said that in my skin, I am having the sensation of the music. Her cheekbones and even in her hair, the cheekbones of the face, the hair, all the things of her body listen the music. She never looked back from that point. She toured the United Kingdom with a youth orchestra, and by the time she was 16. Okay, already we discussed this, students. Now the paragraph number 5th. And for all this, Evelyn won't accept any hint of heroic achievement. Now, she was a world famous multi percussionist, but she was not ready to accept this that she was doing something extraordinary. When the people said, "Oh, Evelyn, you did extraordinary work, how you are able to do this?" She said, "There is nothing extraordinary. If you work hard and know where you are going, you will get there." She, in a very simple way, she explained her success mantra. "Oh, my success mantra is this, that I know what is my goal and I did hard work and I get it." So if students, you also wants to fulfill your dreams, then you have to do hard work. You should know what are your goal, what are your target, do hard work, then definitely you will get them. And she got right to the top, the world's most sought after multi percussionist with a mastery of some thousand musical instruments and hectic international schedule. Now she was very famous. She was a multi percussionist. She was able to play some thousand of music instrument. Students, for a normal person, it is very difficult to play such a great amount of music instrument. And for Evelyn, who could not listen music, she could play such a variety of musical instrument. Now she was world famous and she was having a very hectic matlab busy schedule, that was international schedule for her performances. It is intriguing to watch Evelyn function so effortlessly without hearing. Always the audience amazed by listening the music of Evelyn, what she presented. The people can't believe that without hearing she could presented such a marvelous music. And student, there is one plus point in the music of the Evelyn, that always whatever she feels she presented. So whatever she feels, that music always touched the heart of the audience. In our 2 hour discussion, she never missed a word. "Men with bushy beard give me trouble," she laughed. And student, you will also feel very amazed when you come to know that she could speak very fluently without listening. So some people thought how she will be able to speak by the reading the lips and by reading the eyes. And also at the age of 8, she knows how to speak, so she could also speak in a very fluent manner. And with the writer, when she have a discussion in the for complete 2 hours, she never missed a word. And in a mocking way she said, "Always the bushy beard person," bushy beard matlab जिनकी thick beard होती है, "give the troubled." It is not just watching the lips, it is the whole face, because how she understand the words, she understand the words by facial expression, by lip sync, and also by eyes. So the person who having the thick beard, it is difficult to read their facial expressions, their eyes, and also their lip sync. She speaks flawlessly with Scottish lit. She belongs to Scotland, so she was aware from that language. So she can is flawlessly, matlab effortlessly, she can speak in the Scottish language. My speech is clear because I could hear till I was 11. She said that till 11 I could hear. So my speech is very clear. But that doesn't explain how she managed to learn French and master basic Japanese. But student, she could also speak master basic Japanese and French. And we can't say from where she learned and how she are able to speak in a very clear manner all these languages. Scottish language, it is clear that up to 11 she knows how to speak, how to hear. So she was able to speak. But she also speak another two language, that is Japanese and French. So such was the talent of Evelyn. When she plays the xylophone, she can sense the sound passing up the stick into her fingertip. By leaning against the drums, she can feel the resonance flowing into her body. Students, different musical instruments, she listened by different body parts. She said, when I'm playing the xylophone, the sticks that by that I am playing the xylophone, the music enters from those sticks into my fingertips, and by that I listens the music. And when I am playing the drums, at the time when I lean means when I bend on the drums, the my body get the sounds of the drum. So her different body parts listen the different types of the music instrument. On a wooden platform, she removes her shoes so that the vibrations matlab sound, echo sound, pass through her bare feet and up her legs. So on the wooden platform, her bare feet get the vibration, get the sound, and by that she listens the music. Evelyn is a perfect example that disability cannot stop a person to achieve. If she is determined and work hard towards it, she earned many rewards. She had given enormous pleasures to millions. Students, Evelyn is a perfect example that disability can't stop anyone. If you have determination, if you have ability to do hard work, just like Evelyn, you can also achieve your targets. So she is a role model for all the physically challenged students that be just like Evelyn. If she could do, you can also do. So always made up your mind and work hard. She received many awards, and also her music give enormous, means too much pleasure to the millions of people. Next, not surprisingly, Evelyn delights her audience. In 1991, she was presented with the Royal Philharmonic Society's prestigious Soloist of the Year award. She was such a tremendous musician that she received almost all the awards in the field of music. In the 1991, she received the Royal Philharmonic Society prestigious Soloist of the Year award. And on that day, one master percussionist, James Blade, uh, said some praiseworthy words for her, and his words are, God may have taken her hearing, but he has given her back something extraordinary. He said on that day on the stage, oh, this Evelyn, what to say about this, about the talent of Evelyn? God may have taken her hearing, but whatever God has given her, that the people don't have. God has given her the extraordinary talent of feeling the music. What we hear, she feels far more deeply than any of us. Means general people, generally the people what hear, that she can feel. So her music is the music of feeling. Her music is a divine one. That is why she expresses music so beautifully, and that is the reason that she can present music in such a beautiful manner. Evelyn confesses that she is something of a workaholic. Workaholic means who could not live without work, such a hard worker. So she confesses means she admits that she is a workaholic girl. I have just got to work, that I only get the work, often harder than classical musician. To get success, I only did hard work, harder than the classical musician. It is said that classical musicians worked very hard, and they took their work just like a tapasya. So she said, I did more hard work than them, but the rewards are enormous. But hard work always get the recognition and reward, so she also get different types of, means multiple rewards she get. Apart from the regular concerts, Evelyn also gives free concerts in the prisons and hospitals. But her music is the best healer for the patients, for the prisoners who are destructive minded, the patients who are ill. Music having a such a power that can heal all the wounds of the people. Maybe your body is wounded, maybe your mind is wounded. So in a charity, she always give the free concerts in prison and hospitals. She also gave high priority to the classes for young musicians. She was also a trainer. She used to give the training to the young musicians. And Ricklin of the Beethoven Fund for Deaf Children says, this is one of the Deaf Children's Society, and he said, she is a shining inspiration for deaf children. Means he appreciated Evelyn and said that she is a star for the deaf children. They see that there is nowhere that they cannot go. Whenever the deaf children saw Evelyn's concert, then they thought that if Evelyn can do that, they can also do everything. Evelyn Glenn has already accomplished more than most people twice her age. Accomplished matlab fulfilled. Means she gained such a popularity, she completed such a work that the people who are twice her age could not do. So such a work and such a recognition she already get. She has brought percussion to the front of the orchestra, means in the orchestra now she is a leading musician, and demonstrated that it can be very moving, and her demonstration is very moving, you can say very heart moving. She has given inspiration to those who are handicapped. She is a inspiration for all the handicapped children. People who look to her and say, if she can do it, I can. And not the least, she has given enormous pleasure to millions. Her music is, you can say, the heart touching music, her music having the divine effect. So, she is the inspiration for all the physically challenged people, and also she gave the melody to millions of audience. So students, thank you very much. Revise this chapter very well for your examination, and all the best. Goodbye.